Hello, it's Richard from MoveMobility. We have on display a Ram Promaster 2019 at 2500, 159 wheelbase. We have a running board on the side for the driver's entry area, the fuel cap, and inside we have electric mirrors, power heated mirrors and electric windows. In the front we have the air conditioning controls for the rear heat and cool system and the light switch. Moving on through to the steering controls, the hands-free Uconnect, and this is a new unit, a new 2019. It's only done 63 kilometers, and the control system for the front AC and heating system, and obviously passenger seat. And through the back we have a unit with a rear aluminum ramp. For more information on the ramp system, please see our website. There's more detail and operating videos as to how to work that. Coming through to the side, we have running board on the side of the van for easy ambulatory access, and a large side sliding door which gives access to, in this vehicle has 6 seats with 3-point harness in each seat, and then the overhead system for the wheelchair restraint system all through the vehicle. And then through the back here we have kits for 2 wheelchairs and the 110-inch ramp rated at 850 pound capacity, 36 inches wide, so will carry a very large chair. Moving through the vehicle, you can see it's very nicely outfitted with LED lighting, and it has extreme heat and air system. And as I say, it's got 6 seats here with the driver, passenger and 2 wheelchair positions, making a 10-passenger vehicle in total. Moving through to the back, we have the rear doors, give access to the manual folding ramp. So a very simple wheelchair accessible vehicle for anyone looking to take away the complexities of operating a lift vehicle. This is a very simple, easy option.